Welcome to a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa where tranquility meets sophistication. Nestled with picturesque pond views, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and natural beauty. Step inside to an inviting living room crowned with soaring ceilings and a charming fireplace, your ideal sanctuary for cozy evenings and effortless entertaining. Adjacent to the living area, elegant glass French doors reveal a versatile den complete with custom built-in bookshelves. The heart of the home flows seamlessly from the well-appointed kitchen through the dining room and into a bright, airy sunroom. Step out onto the private porch to immerse yourself even further into the peaceful waterside setting. Thoughtfully designed for privacy, both bedrooms are positioned on the opposite end of the home, creating a restful retreat away from the main living spaces. Throughout, you'll appreciate the meticulous attention to detail from the exquisite woodwork to the generous storage solutions that combine practicality with timeless elegance. This villa just isn't a house, it's a lifestyle. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, elegance, and natural beauty by calling Mary Mauger today.